Dear respected guests and esteemed attendees, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we say in Islam, peace be upon you all. My name is Fatima Bastaki, and I'm privileged to be part of the award committee for the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field. Today, I would like to share with you the purpose and objectives of this prestigious award, as well as the details of requirements and criteria for each category. The Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field is initiated by His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Presidential Affairs, and Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Khalifa Award for Education. The award intends to promote research and development and enrich the culture of excellence and innovation in early childhood education in the region and worldwide. It aims to recognize and appreciate distinguished research and teaching practices, raise awareness, and promote publication of outstanding studies to support policy and practice in early childhood field. The award also pays a special attention on serving the people of determination, special needs in early childhood education. It is open for local, regional, and international candidates. The focus of the award is creating a kind of mechanism by which to discover local and international talents among researchers, practitioners, individuals, and institutions. There are 6 main objectives of the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field. The award aims to enrich early learning programs with research that inform practice and has direct impact on improving early childhood care and education, programs, curricula, and advanced teaching pedagogies. One of the top objectives of the award is to benefit from the best research and programs to support education policy and early learning teaching practices in the United Arab Emirates. It will also motivate innovative teachers to develop the best practices in the field of early childhood education. It recognizes successful individual experiences and parental involvement in the field of early learning, and also promotes the role of institutions that specialize in the field of preschool and early childhood field. The Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field aims to provide a holistic development of early childhood creative capacity to promote the physical, social, intellectual, psychological, and emotional skills. We are going to discuss today the award timeline. As you've seen in this slide, the award launch was held on January 10th, and it was an official launch at Expo Dubai. And from January to March 2022, we are going to hold special events, workshops, training, and practical workshops for the institutions, practitioners, and interested researchers. From January 10th to 31st, we will be receiving the applications and screening them. From March 31st until June 29th, 2022, the assessment of the candidate submissions will take place by the awarding committee. In July 2022, the announcement of the winners will take place in an official ceremony. And inshallah, in 2023 or 2023, the award ceremony will be taking place. There are 2 categories for the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field. Category of the best programs, curricula, methodologies, and teaching practices, and also the category of the best research and studies. In the first session of the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field, applications are accepted for the categories offered for the current round, which represent category for the best research and studies, category for the best programs, curricula, methodologies, and teaching practices. 2 prizes will be allocated in each category presented during 2022. 2 winners will be chosen for the category for the best program, curriculum, methodologies, and teaching practices, and 2 winners will be chosen for the category of the best research and studies. 1 will be allocated to the best research affecting relevant education policies. The other award will be allocated to the best research affecting field practice. In the 2023 session, the Secretariat of the award will expand the category to include 6 additional prizes. First, we look at the category of the best research and studies. This category seeks to identify research on early childhood education and the nurturing that supports development in practice. It includes studies that provide innovative solutions to challenges and offer insights into education and teaching in this field. Such research should enrich the evidence base for policy and practice in ways that ensure meaningful improvement in early learning field. The applicants should ensure to meet the following requirements. Submit a report about the research of 30 to 50 pages, size A4. Research extensions and appendices should follow the APA, American Psychiatric Association Guide method. Research must be an authentic intellectual act, and there is no maximum age limit for applicants. The study should not be quoted as part of an academic thesis or academic research. Research and studies must not have been prepared within the requirement acquiring any educational degrees or other awards. Research and studies should focus on children in early childhood years, which are defined as being from birth to the age of 8. The review and assessment of the best research and studies will be based on the following criteria: clarity of research, concepts and objectives with a clear and logical presentation of the study from the rationale to the methods and curriculum conclusions. Rigorous scientific methodology with appropriate and valid methods of inquiry, robust and documented implementation of data collection and analysis approach, along with appropriate linkage among findings, implications, and recommendations. Potential impact and usefulness of the study based on practical experience acquired to support the development and improvement of the early childhood education. Now we look at the second category of the award, category of the best programs, curricula, methodology, and teaching skill. This category seeks to identify initiatives that aim to improve either early home education and non-formal care or formal care education with significant improvements in quality or methods of education related to the development of young children who receive such care. The applicants should ensure to meet the following requirements. Applicants must provide a full description of the initiative, and submission of the file should be in PDF format. The file must include detailed information on inputs and expenses, output and where they are applied, and the continued results till to date. The information provided must be sufficiently detailed and completed to be available for others who want to learn from and replicate the initiative. The initiative must be an original, authentic, intellectual act. The review and assessment for the best programs, curriculum, methodologies, and teaching practices will be based on the following criteria: clarity of the initiative's concepts, objectives, methodology, and the specific planning, the extent to which the work is needed, applicable and can be widely used, the impact of the initiatives on children and their beloved families, creativity and innovation in design, along with future sustainability, validity of the evaluation that documents successful implementation and outcomes. The Khalifa International Award for Early Learning Field will adhere to the following qualifications. We use the common definition of early childhood, which includes ages from birth to the age of 8. Any functional programs and practical research relevant to early childhood are eligible to apply for the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field. Applicants may be individuals, teams, or institutions from any country in the world. The candidates selected for the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field should not apply for a similar award within or outside the UAE in the same area during the same year. The candidates must not have received any award in the same field of similar moral and material value within the last 2 years, including the year of nomination. Specifications for the award winners. Khalifa Award offers a cash reward of $50,000 per winner. Also, the winners will be awarded a certificate of appreciation and a trophy with a prize logo on it. The award donor committee select 2 winners for each of the award categories. It's possible to win the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field as individuals, teams, or institutions. If the winner is a team, the cash prize will be shared equally among the team members. The stipulations for applying for the award are as following. All applications should follow the instruction and be submitted through the online application system el.khavard.ae before the deadline, in addition to the followings. The application must be in English. The application must conform to general guidelines and provide all documents required for electronic applications with all conditions approved after reviewing the relevant information on the award website. If the candidate is an institution or team, the team leader must be authorized to receive the award at the official ceremony. Deadline for application. Each person or institution can submit only 1 application for the award in a given year, and the application period begins in January and continues until the end of next March. The Secretariat of the Award will hold a press conference in July 2022 to announce the names of the winners of the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field. Please send any questions related to the Khalifa International Award for Early Learning field, including categories, conditions, and application process and instructions on el.info@khavard.ae. For any technical inquiries and information about the online application system, please contact and email el.support@khavard.ae. Thank you very much for your kind attention for this presentation. I'm full of passion and confidence that the impact of the initiatives and distinctive research will be a great asset for the development of early childhood learning locally, regionally, and internationally. I'm confident that the initiatives and research will demonstrate scientifically based best practices in the critical field of early childhood learning. I wish our applicants all the best, and I cannot wait to receive and review the research submissions.